Welcome to my channel Drawing with Tasfia.
The story of the little colorful house. Home color. Once upon a time, there was a tiny little house. It was very white and very quiet, as if it were waiting for someone special. Suddenly, one day, a bunch of colors arrived. Red, blue, green, pink, purple, so many beautiful colors. Red said, "I will fill this house with warmth and love." Blue smiled and said, "I will make it as calm and lovely as the sky." Green said, "I will bring the freshness of nature." Pink said while dancing, "I will make the house sweet and full of joy." And purple whispered, "I will sprinkle a little bit of magic everywhere." Then the play of colors began. The brushes started to dance, and one by one the colors spread all over the walls. In the blink of an eye, the house became bright, colorful, and so beautiful. Rainbow! Look, the window looks wonderful in blue. The door is now red and shiny. A little bit of pink on the roof, a touch of green on the walls, and tiny sparks of purple magic all around. The colors laughed together and said, "When we are together, everything becomes beautiful." Little friends, do you love to play with colors too? Which one is your favorite color? Come, let's make our imaginary house even more beautiful. Let's paint with colors, let's play with colors, and let's fill our world with happiness. Start!
4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, the angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep,
Have you any wool?
yes sir, 3 bags full.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your